Hi everyone, Shalane Walls, Jason Walls with the Walls Real Estate Group. We are at our newest listing set here in beautiful Laredo, 137 Lazaro Close. You are not going to want to miss this. This is where luxury and elegance meet the comforts of your home. You're going to relax, enjoy, and feel like you're in a castle. This 4-bedroom, 3.5-bath home with over 2,300 square feet is waiting for you and your family. It is Canada West built home with all the bells and whistles. Let's go take a look. Here we are inside. I just stepped into the front entryway. You're gonna notice these beautiful white floors, huge entryway, double door closets. Let's go see what my favorite part of this house has to offer. And I'm sure yours too. This island. Everyone, this island is going to house all of your guests, all of your dinner parties, all of the family, all of your Christmas get-togethers. This is fantastic. Walk-through pantry, beautiful gray floors, neutral colors, double ovens, built-in microwave, beverage center. This home has it all. Gas fireplace. Now, if you want to see the rest of this house, you're going to have to follow us on social media where you're going to get the full link to this home, where you're going to get all of the details. Better yet, come see us tomorrow at our open house Saturday from 12 to 2. That's right, 137 Lazaro Close, open house 12 to 2.